Hi everyone, my name is Biswajit. I work in the banking industry. Over the past years, I have built strong interests on learning technologies like data science using Python. While I do hold some basic knowledge about them, I still consider myself a complete beginner, and there is a lot I'm trying to learn and understand. This channel is not about any expert teaching to anyone. Instead, it's about documenting my learning journey. You will see me basically make mistakes, ask questions, research, and build on that understanding of topic which is related to Python, data analysis, and all sorts. The topics we will see basically cover will be related to data science, that is Python, SQL, NumPy, all sorts. My goal is basically to learn in public, create a record of the journey, and if you are learning, starting from scratch, changing careers, or simply curious about tech in data science, I hope you will find something useful here and connect with the process. So let's learn, explore, and grow together. Now let's get started. So the first thing we do is that we'll set up Python on Mac. I'm using MacBook. You can use anything which is convenient to you. So let's jump right into the terminal and see what we will be doing. Now let's open the terminal. Now the terminal is opened. Now let's see what the Python is there in the system itself. We have the Python installed in our system. It basically comes pre-installed mostly in the systems. In Mac it is already there, so it is the I guess it is the older version. What is the current version? Let's see. The current version, we'll just type it out. Python. So the current version is 3.14.6, and we have the older version, right? So we need to install the latest version. Now we just see where is the path where our Python is stored. Now since I know the basics, why we are using Python, because Python is currently in its third generation, so this is the keyword mostly we use. We can change it by using some commands to just simply use Python. We will come to it later. Now let's first install a Python. The Python is stored in this path, correct? Now in Mac, there is one application, basically installer that install application onto the Mac. It is called Homebrew. It is a package manager mostly for Mac. For Linux, it is called apt. Means use apt, you can install those packages. Here you will use brew to install Python. So we will just copy paste this in the terminal. Let's just copy paste it. Let's see what happens. It's asking for our system password. Let me just keep the password. Sorry, just mistake. Now we'll just continue. Now it is installing Homebrew. Now I think it is installed. Just check, let's see, brew version. Now it is the current version, correct? So we have installed brew, correct? Now Let's install Python. Now, why we are using this Homebrew to install Python again? Since we already have Python in our system, we need to have the latest version of Python research. So now let's just dive into installing Python. Brew install Python. Now let's just install it. Yeah. Now Python is installed. Now let's do one thing. We'll check the Python version. If you type Python 3 version, it shows the older one. Do you know why? Let's just figure it out. I guess it has got something to do with the paths. I haven't figured out yet, but let's just see. Go path. The front. Actually, it is looking for Python out here, the global. For that, I guess we need to go to the documentation here. I guess installation part will be here. No, it's not that part. Let's just dive into. It says that older Python, right? Let's view Python. Now, yeah, saying that, let's just try this. Let's clear this mess in the screen. Now, if I type which Python 3. So it is using the system Python. Correct. We need to change it. Clear okay. Let's just copy paste it. We are already in our dataset. Let's just copy paste it. Sorry, not like that. It got copied everything. Just a minute. Can't copy it. Means can't delete it like that. Okay, it's okay. We just delete it manually. Now what you're gonna do is that we'll just copy paste it. Now let's try and run. Not Brew, it's Python version, right? Now it's coming the latest version, correct? Now let's just terminate our terminal basically and reopen it again and see whether it is working or not. Terminal. Yes. Now I think the path is changed. If we see it again, if I type which Python now, I guess we will get our path for the latest Python. Homebrew Python. So we got this one. So what I have understood from here is that basically when we type this command, it basically looks for the first location, first path, wherever it will find Python, it will basically be the default Python. Now if this would be at the end here, then it will search for the path, it will go directly to the other path, that is the system Python that we checked before. So this is why we need to first change the path. Now Python is installed in our system. I hope you understood this path. So we have installed Python in the system. That's it. Now what you're going to do is that we need something to run. In the next video I will install VS Code. It's the best coding platform to do Python. So I will show it in the next video. I hope you find this useful.